Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and I came home to a big box and it said it was from CatLady Box. I'm like, why is CatLady Box sending me a big box? Because usually when they send a box it looks like this, but it was a big box, a big brown box. So I opened it up and this is what I found, 2 boxes in there. So I had told y'all about the giveaway coming up, so I thought maybe I misunderstood them and they sent me 2 boxes, one for me and one for y'all. But no, I did contact them, talk to them. They sent me the September box and the October box. So I'm going to show you just now, because it takes a little time to show you the boxes. I'm going to show you the October box because this will be the video where the giveaway is in. And then I will record the September box and show that at a different time. So I did open them up to see which is which. All right, so this is what the box looks like when you get it. It gets mailed like this. And there is a seal here that I cut. And when you open it, it looks like this. And look at that beautiful postcard. There's always a postcard in here by an artist, a cat artist. Isn't that adorable? For the October is the Black Cat box. Every year they honor black cats because a lot of people are just not nice to black cats, and black cats are just the same as any other cat. They are wonderful cats and they should not be abused or hurt in any way. So this card tells you what you got, and it also says, like, the featured cat lady artist is Monica Suska maybe. Monica is a full-time illustrator and part-time traveler from Warsaw, Poland. In her own words, she's a legit crazy animal lady and she draws a lot of cats. So I love that. Monica, Miss Monica, that is the cutest picture. I love it. So this is a postcard, but these are suitable for framing. You can collect them. They're beautiful to have. And it also tells you about CatLady Cares. So what they do, because of you, we were able to donate to these rescues last month. Tommy Cat Foundation, It's Meow or Never, Heart of the Valley Animal Shelter, and Little Wanderers in New York City. So that is where they donated last month. So let's see what's in this box. This is what it looks like when you take the card away. It's in tissue, and then there is a CatLady Box sticker on it. And there's a sticker like that. And then I don't know what's going to be in here because they do show some spoilers on Instagram. But I don't know that, well, now that I'm seeing something, I do see something that I've seen. But mostly I don't know what's in here. I don't know where the boys are. The boys have been very strange lately. They've been strange since Honeybee passed. I'm going to show you what's in this box, and what's going to happen is we're going to choose a winner from this video in 2 weeks. So when I post this, I will put the dates in the description as to when this ends. And I always end at noon Central Time on the day that I will put in the description. And then it's just the usual giveaway rules. This has nothing to do with YouTube. This does have to do with CatLady Box. CatLady Box is going to give a $50 gift certificate to the winner. And what they told me that they'll do is they will DM me the information and I'll pass it on to my winner. I'll choose the winner and I'll let you know, and probably I'll let you know on a video. I always make a video of the winners, okay? And then I'll put you in touch, whatever we have to do. I'm not quite sure. But the rules from CatLady Box is that you have to be a resident of the US or of Canada. So they do include Canada. If you're in Canada, you can enter this giveaway, and it will be that gift certificate is enough to get you a box. So you can choose. I don't know if the October box will be sold out. It's a very popular box. I think it's their most popular box of the year. So it may already be sold out, but it may not. But you don't have to use it right away. You could wait till the Christmas box or something. I don't know. And they also, well, you'll figure it out. When we get all that worked out, I'll help you with it if you need help with it, okay? Let's see what's in this box, okay? There is always a wearable of some sort. And that's what's on top here. Now, I choose a larger size. I think the CatLady Box, I should have looked this up. I'm sorry I didn't. Let me be right back. All right, what I have here is the Crazy CatLady Box. That is $39.99 a month. It's a couple of dollars more if you get plus size, which is what I get. And then they also have the CatLady Box, which does not have the cat toys. So, you know, if your cat has too many toys, you could get the CatLady Box, and that's just things for you then. And again, that's $34.99, and if you choose plus size, it's a couple dollars more for the plus size. So I get plus size. So, oh, is this the cutest, y'all? Okay. I say that about every t-shirt. I've got on one right now, the feline paralysis. I say that paralysis. When the cats sit on you and you can't get up. Look at how pretty that is for the black cat. Black Cat Fan Club. That is so cute. Oh, it says established in 2015. That must have been the first year that they did the Black Cat October box. And it's always some just featured, you know, it's just to bring awareness, you know, because a lot of people treat the black cats very poorly. And like I said, they're just like any other cat. They're just as fabulous as any other cat. It says black cats are some of the best cats, and you can show off your love for them with this fan club tee. The value is $21.99. And then we have this adorable thing. I love this. It says a Meowsing Cat Magnets, set of 6. A Meowsing. They always put meow and purr and things like that in here. This were made. CatLady Box donates a portion of all proceeds to cat rescues. We saw that. Thanks for helping us help cats in need. This is made specifically for CatLady Box. And look at all those cute, these are all magnets. I can open this up and show you. Let me take one out. If I can get this open. It has a little bit of tape. Oh no, maybe it doesn't. I thought it did. It does on the sides. I'm looking at the wrong spot. So these are adorable. And you know what I want you to say if you want to enter is enter me would be fine. And okay, so when you take these out, okay, see it's a nice big magnet on the one side, and then there's all these different colors. These are so pretty. Thank you, CatLady Box. I'm so excited to get CatLady Box. I don't know where my boys are because you know they're usually always up in here. Then we have, because this is the CatLady Box, the Crazy CatLady Box, we have the cat toys. And this is so cute. It's Meowgical Pineapple Kitty. So look at how cute is that. This cat has ears, but it's decorated. You come in smudge, it's got a pineapple on its head for Halloween. Look how cute that is. Oh, they'll love it. They'll love it. And usually these all have catnip in them. This one says pineapple costume is easily removable. Yeah, you can take this off and just have a black cat. That is so cute. Oh, look, it's got toe beans, y'all. That is so cute. Now that is valued at $5.99. And then the other one is a black cat paw catnip toy. This one's valued at $4.99, and it's a nice big paw print, the toe beans there. So the boys, I don't know what's going on with them. They've been very camera shy lately. I'm sorry for that. I'll get them for the end of the video. And then what do we have? We have a blanket, y'all. Now it's sealed real nice. This is the Black Cat blanket, super soft and cozy. Our exclusive blanket is perfect for cozying up with your cats. Value of $18.99. Okay. Oh, this is nice, y'all. Oh, look how sweet that is with all the black cats just in different positions. And this is just one of those lovely furry blankets. I love blankets like this because even in summer with the air conditioning on, if I sit down to watch TV, my legs get cold. So I usually always have a blanket on me. And then also, just Honeybee was not real good with her nails. She would always get me when she would do her kneading. I mean, she was loving on me, but she would get me with her nails. So having a blanket between her paws and my skin was helpful. So, oh, it's so cozy soft. Can you see that furry going on? This is a nice lap blanket. I love that. So that is the October Black Cat box this month. This fabulous blanket. I love it. This super cute t-shirt. Super cute t-shirt, y'all. I love it. If you can, it's a real dark purple, I would say real dark purple. I love it. Black Cat Fan Club. And then we have the 2 black cat toys and these fabulous black cat magnets. Thank you so much, CatLady Box. I adore this. And of course, the boys, I'll get them because I don't know where they're at. But they love the box itself. And these boxes, y'all, are so nice and sturdy. I like to put things in here and put them up in the closet if the boys don't get a hold of them. And because I have a couple of them right now, maybe I can shy away a couple for my storage. So thank you so much, CatLady Box. And I'll show the September box in another video. And so this is the video if you want to be involved in the giveaway. Again, just say enter me and be publicly subscribed. This has nothing to do with YouTube. This has only to do with me and CatLady Box in this instance. And you have to be 18 years or older. You have to live in the United States or Canada. And you have to be publicly subscribed to me. I think I already said that part. And when CatLady Box ships it out, I'm just going to say on their behalf that they're not responsible if it gets lost or damaged. It probably won't, you know, it probably won't. Everything will be fine. So if you are interested in this, just let me know below. And it makes a great gift too. If you don't have cats, but you might know somebody and you might want to hold it for Christmas, or this is a great way for you to try it. If you've been wanting, I know a lot of you have said to me, I've been wanting to try the CatLady Box. This is a great way for you to try it and see if you like it. And you may want to continue your subscription with this. So thanks for stopping by. And I'm going to go probably sit down and rest with my new, oh, this is so soft. Rest with my new blanket, try on my new t-shirt. And thanks y'all for stopping by and count your blessings. Bye-bye. Like that, Blue? Look at that cute one. He's got a pineapple head on. He's all ready for Halloween. Oops. I'll pick one out for Blue. You like that, Blue? Isn't he cute? He's a little baby kitten. Little kitten. Yeah. You want to sit in the box? Well, of course, Smudge is going to sit in the box, of course. Here, you like this one, love? I got to get that plastic out of there, Smudge. We'll get the plastic out and you can have the box. Yeah, you like that toy? It's cute. You got the toy? Okay. All right, you going to leave me? All right.